Okay guys, welcome back to Bryan's Thailand again for another episode of the Khon build. Phase 1 here. Now they're putting the steels in. First part of the steels, like the framework up. Now we'll start doing the roof system. We've started already on the block work for here, which is normally not ready, but instead of guys sitting around, we've got them on doing that. And over there, the house. So you've got the double garage here. Music chill out room here. Still got the water put in yet for there, and the water put in for there. Then you've got the bathroom and plant room for the solar. Today we've hired in the crane to help assist with the concrete pour today. This is the company that we use for both projects for the CPAC, which are really good. They do exactly what I want for the mix and the additives I need in. It's a big tank, and it's about 6,000 baht to hire the crane for the day, so it's not bad. It saves a lot of time. So what I'll do, I'll show you with the drone, because you'll see more with the drone footage. You know, I'm doing a bit of a time lapse up there with the Osmo action. So anyway, so a bit drone footage, and I'll head over to the project 2. Okay, see you in a bit.